Hi, Caleb here with SE Codes. Today I want to talk about Java and JavaScript. Java and JavaScript are often confused for the same language because they sound so similar. They are actually very different programming languages, so let's compare the two. Java is the older of the two languages by a few months. It was developed by James Gosling and released by Sun Microsystems in 1995. It is a back-end language, which means it handles the storing and reading of data. Java is an object-oriented language and is statically typed, which means that variables are assigned a certain data type that cannot change. Java was extremely popular in the early years of the internet and still remains a popular language today. Some of the biggest companies in the world use Java to power their platforms. Uber, Netflix, and Google all use Java in their tech stack. If you have an Android phone, that phone uses Java. JavaScript was developed in 1995 by a man named Brendan Eich. Brendan wanted a way to interact with web pages on the internet, and he set out to develop JavaScript. JavaScript is a front-end language that handles what we see and do on a web page. JavaScript is also an object-oriented language, but unlike Java, JavaScript is a dynamically typed language, which means that variables are not assigned a data type and can change types when necessary. JavaScript is widely used, and it is estimated that 97% of websites use JavaScript. Let's take a look at an example of Java and JavaScript code. These functions do the same thing. They both print Hello World to our console. On the left, we have the Java version, and on the right, we have the JavaScript version. Pretty different. Even though the names sound very familiar, these languages are drastically different from each other. If you would like to learn more about Java or JavaScript, check out the Java Concepts or JavaScript Concepts course on secodes.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.